Hello everyone, ever wanted to build a robot that can create art for you? So yes, today we are going to build a Scribble bot and you are going to get all the materials in our quick science box. So just let's go through what is included. So you are going to get a googly eyes, a block of clay, few pipe cleaners, you are going to get the sketch pens, alligator clips, battery, a small DC motor, a switch, a battery holder, and yes, the body of your robot. It's a polycarbonate glass. And plus we are also going to provide you with the masking tape, with the double-sided tape and a craft paper. The only thing that you need to arrange is the scissors. That's it. So let's start building it. Okay, so first of all you need to take the body of your robot, attach your robot with the help of a masking tape. So they are going to act like a leg for your robot. So let's start. First of all, you need to take a 3 piece of tape to secure your legs. So I have taken one. Same way, cut the other 2 tapes. The most important thing is to secure your legs, because if your legs are not secure, your robot will tip over when it will move. So let's take the first sketch pen. You can do it inside also. If you want to do, you can do it outside of the glass also. So I'm trying to show you from this side. Okay, so first of all, attach the legs of your robot like a tripod. So this is one. Same way, now I'm going to attach one here and one here. So it will look like a tripod and it will be totally balanced. The opposite side will be this. Okay, this is my second leg or the second marker. Now same way, do the third one. Now your all the legs are secured with the masking tape, and as you can see, they are looking like a tripod. Now once your sketch pen is firmly attached to the glass, the second step is you need to attach the battery and the DC motor using the double-sided tape. Make sure just take the small piece of double-sided tape to attach your DC motor. Now this is my double-sided tape. Now the most important thing, your DC motor, the shaft of your DC motor should be hanging outside the glass. As you can see, the shaft is outside the glass. So this is done. See, if you find your sketch pen is loose, you can attach 2 or more paper tapes or masking tape, so it become more stronger. Your motor is attached. Now the next step is to attach your battery holder. So let's take a small piece of your double-sided tape, cut it and stick it to the top portion of your motor body. Now this is done. This is how you have to attach it on the opposite of the motor. Now take your battery holder. Wires are already attached on the both terminals of your battery holder. So just attach it and press it. Done. Your battery holder is also attached. Now take the wire and put it into the one of the terminals of the motor. It's like putting a thread into the needle. Just point it and then just gently pass the wire through the terminal and just twist it so it doesn't come out. Same way with the other, but yes, now we are going to attach a switch also so that you can control your robot by stopping it or turning it on. So take the one wire which is left from the battery holder to one of the legs of the switch. So I'm going to attach it to one of the legs. Same way, insert it and twist it. We have also provided you with an extra piece of wire that you have to use it to attach to the second leg of the switch. Again, insert it and twist it. Now make sure your switch does not hang. Take a small piece of double-sided tape and secure your switch with the tape. Now you can attach it anywhere, somewhere here near to it or on the back side. It's totally your call. You can stick it anywhere. Just make sure it does not hang. Now this is my switch. Okay, now I have the power to control my robot. Now use the second wire which is coming from the switch into the motor terminal, second terminal, and again pass it and twist it. Done. Now we are done with the full circuit of your robot. Now the last thing is take the battery and put it inside your battery holder. Okay. Now as you can listen, your motor is moving, as you can hear. Let's listen. Now with the switch I can control it on and off. Just make sure, the one thing I want to tell you, make sure that two wires of the switch should not touch each other. If two wires of the switch will touch each other, it will create a short circuit and your switch will not work. So for the same I am going to do this. Sure. Now it's on, it's off. Done. Now as I told you, we are creating a robot which will create an artistic masterpiece by moving. But see, as I turn it on, this is not moving. Why? Now the secret is you have to make sure your motor becomes unbalanced. Now you can make your motor unbalanced or you can make your motor wobble by adding a weight which is off center. So for the same thing we have provided you with the Play-Doh or a clay. Now take the clay. This is how you are going to get the clay. Make a roll, make a ball of your clay of a size of a marble, and let's see which kind of art it's going to create. Now this is the ball of a clay. Now make sure your ball should not be at the center. It should off center. When I say off center, you should not insert it in the middle of the clay. You should insert it on the top of the clay or at the bottom of the clay. So I'm going to insert at the top of the clay, and this is called off center. Now I'm going to turn it on and you can see it will start wobbling. See, this is how your Scribble bot or Vibro bot is going to work. Now I'm going to switch it off. Let's do some art. Let's make it more beautiful, and it's totally your call. You can make it as beautiful as you want. Now we have given you so many things to make your robot beautiful. You have got a pipe cleaner, you have got a googly eyes, you have got a craft paper to make it beautiful. So let's start with the pipe cleaner. I'm going to create kind of an antenna of my robot. So I'm going to cut it into two parts, two half, and you can fold it. So now let's use the double side tape, or you can use masking tape also to secure it. Let's use the masking tape. Okay, I'll take the two piece of masking tape for my two antennas. Now one will be on this side. As you can see, this is going to be the one side of the antenna, and then you can create different shapes and attach it. I'm going to create something like this. Okay, wait. Yeah. So this is my one side, and let's do it on the other side. Okay. Now these are my two antennas of my robot. I'll show you, just give me a second. Okay. Okay. Now this is how you have to create a shape, and this is my robot's antenna, as you can see. Now the second step is I'm going to take my craft paper, and I have cut out a square from my craft paper. We are going to provide you with the craft paper. Cut out a square, it's totally your call. You can cut out a triangle, you can cut out a circle, and just create the design. Now I'm going to use my two googly eyes. Now this, and I'm going to secure my googly eyes using the double-sided tape, so it won't come out while it wobbles. Perfect. Now just take the two googly eyes and attach it on this craft paper. This is what I am trying. You can try it differently. This is my one and this is my second. See? Now let's attach it to the robot. Let's put one double-sided tape here so it can hold the face of the robot. This is the face of my robot, and as you all can see, this is my final robot. Now it's time to reveal how this thing works. Now we are going to provide you with these blank papers on which you can try your Scribble bot. It's going to be in the quick science box. Now uncap the markers or the sketch pen. Let's take it out. Second, and this is third one. Place it on the blank paper and just turn it on. Look at this. See, this is how it will create the patterns, as you can see. Now what you have to do, you have to try it with different markers, different sizes of sketch pens, try with the different weights of this to make it more wobble. Try it off center, top, bottom, change the place of your motor, and this is how patterns is going to create it. Isn't it funny, right? Now, where exactly does this vibrating motor use in real life application? Vibrating motors are used almost in every real life application, if I can say you. Vibrating motors are used in your electric toothbrush. Vibrating motors are used in your smartphones for the messaging. Vibrating motors are used in the automobiles. Vibrating motors are used in most of your healthcare devices such as your massage devices. So vibrating motors has got a real huge application in our real life. So kids, happy scribbling and keep experimenting with the quick science.